Hello everyone, I am Rohit from Code. In this video, we will continue our Python series. So our agenda for today's class will be first variables and second is operators and its type. Now let us start with variables in Python. To understand this, let's start with some example like water bottle is a container to store water and we can use it anywhere in school, coaching or at home. Likewise, in Python also variables are containers to store some values. For example, x equals to 4 and a equals to 2, etc. Here in this example 4 is the value stored in x name container and similarly for 2 also. Variables can store number, letter, etc. There are some rules for using variables. Variable should start with alphabet or underscore because variable is an identifier. If you don't know about identifier, just watch my previous video. Now, no spaces are allowed in variables. For example, if you write r space m equals to 10, then it will give you an error. We will see in our practicals. Next, variables can be combination of letters, numbers and special characters. In special characters, we only use underscore. Note, we can change values in variables. For example, if value of x equals to 4, then we can change it by x equals to 10 and now new value of x is 10, not 4. Now let us do some practicals. So to do practicals, we will go to search bar. Here we type Python and then you can see it is written IDLE and then click OK. Now Python shell will be open. So here write a equals to 10. So here a is the variable which stores a value 10. You can print a as write a and then enter. So here it is printing 10. Now as I said, we cannot provide spaces. So write r space m equals to 11. Yes, it is giving syntax error as I earlier said. Now we will try some special characters. So here write underscore r equals to 21 and then press enter. To print it, again write underscore r and then enter. Here you can see 21 has been printed. Now let's try other special characters like at the rate r equals to 21. Here you see it is providing syntax error. As I told you, in special character we can use only underscore. Now let us back to our slide. So our next topic is operators. Operators in Python are used to perform operations between two variables. Example, a is a variable, b is a variable and plus sign is an operator. So we can write a plus b. Now similarly in a minus b also a and b are variables and minus sign is an operator. Now move ahead. Now we can call the operator as a special symbol that are used to manipulate operands. Now you must be wondering about what is operand. So the value we use in an operation are known as operand. These operands can be variables or any other data we have in Python. So let us take an example. Here we have two operands, operand 1 and operand 2. Now when we add operator between them, it gives result according to the type of operator. Let's consider above example. In that we have seen a plus b. Here a is operand 1, b is operand 2 and plus is the operator. So we will get an sum of a and b. So let us move to our last topic, that is types of operators. There are 6 types of operator. First one is arithmetic operators. It is used to perform arithmetic operations between two variables or values. So these are arithmetic operator symbol we use in Python. So we have addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, modulus, exponentiation and float division. Now let's take it up to Python ideally to understand the concept of arithmetic operators. Now again in search bar type Python and then ideally then click OK. Here Python shell will be open. So our first arithmetic operator is addition. So here assign a equals to 5 and then click OK. Likewise assign b equals to 10 and then press enter. Now you can check the values of a by printing it and likewise write b and then press enter. You can see both values are been assigned. Now perform some arithmetic operations. So write a addition b and then press enter. You can see 15 is the output and which is the sum of a and b. Likewise write a minus b and then press enter. You can see we got value minus 5, which is the correct output for a minus b. Now we can move with other operator, that is division. So write a division b. Here we get 0.5 as an our output. Now again let's move on to next operator, that is multiplication. So a multiply b, we will get output 50 and we are getting 50 only. Next, move on to our next operator, that is exponentiation. So write a exponentiation b and it gives us result. So you might be wondering what exponentiation does. Exponentiation only powers the value, like our case a is 5 and b is 10. So here it means 5 raised to the power 10 provides us this output, which is 9765625. Now let's move on to our next operator, that is floor division. So write a floor division b and we get output as 0. Now you might be thinking of what floor division does. It simply divides the value and remove digits after decimal point, like a divides b provide us 0.5. So here what floor divisions do, removes after decimal point every value, provide us output as 0. Now move on back to our slide. Here our next topic is assignment operator. So what does assignment operator do? It simply assigns the value like equals to. Now move on to next type of operator, that is comparison operator. So what does it do? It provides us output in true or false while checking value is greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to or not equal to. Now let's move on to next type, that is logical operator. So there are 3 types of logical operator: and, or, and not, which checks the logic between two operands. Next, bitwise operator. It has and bitwise, or bitwise, not bitwise, etc. It is used to operate bit by bit in binary digits. Now, last type of operator is membership operator. It comes under special operator which are used to test whether a value or variable is found in a sequence or not. It is used in Python data structures. You can perform operations by using all type of operators like I have done with arithmetic operators. Only remember to put operators in between two operands or variables, like for greater than put a greater than b in Python ideally and then press enter. You will see the output for it. In upcoming videos, we will use many of operators from the list. Till then, practice some type of operators. I hope this all provides you better understanding of variables and operators. So from next video onwards, we will learn and practice more about Python. Thank you.